Hello and welcome to the most last minute and worst Halloween costume ever. So the plan is, I got myself a old black shirt that I've turned inside out. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to use a little Arduino, wire up all these LEDs. I'm sure the lead for the Arduino is in here somewhere. We've got twinkling. Now it's time to program some heat death. Okay, so the prototype board for the circuit and programming is done. Now I need to work out a way to stick this little prototype onto the black shirt. Probably a little bit better than that. I'm going to start with the sun and the earth, because I know where they're going to go in the middle. Now for all the stars. So now we've got 6 stars, the sun and the earth. This is definitely overkill, but I can't find my wire cutters. Now it's time to solder. So this here is some very interesting stuff that could be barely seen in camera because it's so thin. This is conductive thread. So I'm going to try and use this in the shirt. I don't actually have a needle, so I'm just going to tape it and solder it to the places it needs to go and see if it works. So I've ran the steel thread all the way along each of the LEDs, and now I'm going to test whether it actually works. So I just touch the end of this to the LED, and if it lights up, yeah, it lights up. So I've turned it back inside out, and I'm going to test each of the lights from each of the strings along the bottom. It's up and running. Okay, this is ridiculous. Here we have the universe with all the pretty little flashing. And then that's the sun, and that's the earth. And then these start to slow as the heat death comes to the universe. And once all of them have gone out, the earth shall die. So it's the heat death of the universe. Don't think it quite works, but it's funny anyway.